In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $900 or more in a day working just 1 to 2 hours around your schedule. So just to put it in perspective, $900 a day, that's $27,000 a month and $328,000 a year. So would learning these skills help you? Of course, quick disclaimer, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Okay, results aren't typical, so don't be typical. I'm not guaranteeing you any results, and everything is based on your effort, right? Just like I've made multiple 5 figures with this business, I've made thousands of dollars with this business so far based on my effort. Okay, so if you want the results, you got to do the work, right? So check it out. This is how this business works. This is an all-in-one business in a box, which means you don't have to create a thing. Everything's already created for you. All you need is Wi-Fi, your phone, 2 hours a day, and you just got to get started. You got to set up your business, and then you're just following a 2-hour workday. And I'm gonna explain how this all works, okay? So this is how an online business works, right? Step number one, you need some kind of product. You need to sell something, a product, an opportunity, or a service. So we give you 4 done-for-you digital programs in the e-learning industry. And our top-selling program sells for $900, okay? That's how you can have $900 days, make $900 more in a day, because our top-selling product sells for $900. And the best thing is we get to keep 100% of the profits, because this is not MLM, this is not affiliate marketing, which means you're not splitting your profits with anybody else. Every time someone goes to your website and they purchase one of the programs, you get paid instantly directly to you, 100% profit, right? Step 2, you got to automate your business. So we give you an automated business, a pre-built sales funnel that you can set up in like 1 to 2 days. And this automated online business is out there working for you 24/7. So basically what happens, like let's say you go to my link, 7figuremonk.com. It's going to take you here. It's a capture page, okay? So people go here, they put their email in. You're building your email list. They watch a video. The videos are doing the selling for you. We give you 30 emails. So like you have an email follow-up system going out. There's people are getting emails from you every single day. And it's taking people to your website, your sales page. And they go here, they can buy from you at any time, okay? Step number 3, you need a way for people to discover your business, okay? We teach you attraction marketing, which means you don't have to pay for advertising, you don't have to bother your friends and family, and you don't have to cold message strangers. All you have to do is to do this attraction marketing method that I follow myself, that I've made multiple 5 figures with. Post 3 pieces of content a day to social media. And you don't need any experience, you don't need a following, you don't need tech skills. We teach you how to post content and everything. Even if you've never created content before in your life, it doesn't matter. We're going to show you how to do it. So you create 3 pieces of content a day, you post to social media, whatever platform you want to use. You can go live on any platform pretty much, and then you can also copy and paste free ads. So I'm going to give you examples of the kind of content that I create. Like my lives are recorded as well. And plus, like I'm going to show you how to post free ads, okay? I'm going to show you what this automated system looks like in a minute too. I'm going to share my screen. Step number 4, you got to relate to people, okay? You got to relate to people in your content. There's like 5 billion people on social media, which is good because 1 customer a day and you're making money, but there's 5 billion people on social media, so you got to stand out. So we teach you how to create a hook, how to stand out in your content, how to share your story so you can relate to people and connect with people, how to create relatable content. We teach you how to do that, okay? Because connection equals currency, right? And then step number 5, you're going to get a customer. That is the process, okay? That's the process to making $900 or more in a day. Now, if you want to learn more, if you're ready to get started, you want to get started with this business, you're serious about making some money online, you're serious about living a life of freedom, then just go here, 7figuremonk.com. There's a link in my bio. Put in your best email, just check your folders for the word blueprint, and you can get started with this business at any time. And you can also reply to my emails at any time. All you need is Wi-Fi, your phone, 2 hours a day. You have everything you need, social media, and you just need our blueprint. You just need your business, okay? Right? So now let me share my screen. I'm going to show you how everything works. So here is the sales funnel that you're going to be able to use. This is what I'm using, and this is what you get to use as well. So basically, when someone goes to your link, it's going to go here. You're going to have a capture page. So what you're doing is you're capturing people's emails. You're building your email list. Every time they put their email in, they're added to your email automations, right? And then it's going to take them here. They're going to watch this video. This video is doing the selling for you. And then there's testimonials. Like she had an $1,800 a day, $10,000 in March, $1,300 a day, 5,000 in 8 days. Those are wins from our community, okay? So they can watch the video. Then there's another video. We sent out another video in people's emails. So people are going to be watching these 2 videos. And all these videos, everything's already created for you. You just got to set it up. Okay, they're going to watch these videos. There's more testimonials. And you can see how there's like a button on this page. which takes people to your website. You see how it's automated like that? So then they're going to go to your website, which is going to look like this. And this is where they can purchase one of the programs, like the 100, the 300, the 600, or the 900, right? And then there's payment buttons all over the place. So they can go at any time, purchase one of the programs, and it goes directly to you. You get paid directly to you through your payment processor, 100% profit. So you're going to have your own automated online business here. Even though you don't have to create anything else, it's still yours because you get to keep 100% of the profit. Just reselling programs that you didn't even have to create yourself. Okay. I'm just going to show you what this website looks like a little bit. How would an extra 300 to 900 a day change your life? We have 50,000 members in our community. We did $29 million in sales of these programs in 10 months. We teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. But here's what truly sets this apart. You get to keep 100% of the profit. You become a licensed reseller of these programs. There's a certification training that you can go through in a couple hours. You become a licensed reseller. Okay, here's different testimonies on your website. You're going to have different testimonies there. Here is like your bio section. You see how I have my picture here. There's me in the Bahamas. That's me in Nepal. And then my bio, you're going to have your bio section. You're going to have your pictures, your bio. This is branded to me. Mine will be branded to you. Okay. Imagine if you could earn 900 per day, 2 hours of work from anywhere. That's what you can do with this business. Okay. So here's the programs. Now, let's say if you want to get started with this business, all you have to do is purchase one of the programs and then you get everything. You get access to the programs, you get your own sales funnel, you get your own website, and you get access to our community for free. So 100, 300, 600, or 900 if you want to get started. And if you get the 900, you get all of the programs. If you get the 600, you get 3 of the programs. If you get the 300, you get 2 of the programs. If you get the 100, you only get 1 program. You only get 1 income stream. You can only resell the program that you have, but you can always start at a lower level and upgrade to a higher level later. And there's no monthly fees, okay? 0 monthly fees, just so you know, for you and your customers. And there's also installment plans, okay? So you can explain all of this to your customers as well. Testimonies. Here's my just pictures I put a lot of my own pictures on here. You can change the website, but I wouldn't change anything too much because it's already proven to work. But you can just add your own pictures. Or if you don't want to show your face, you can also have a faceless website where you don't show your face. It's up to you. Okay. So yeah, here's the website. That's what it looks like, basically. You can check it out at sevenfiguremonk.com. You can check it out there as well. Then you get these bonuses. You get access to our community for free. You get to learn how to create your own communities and monetize them. You get a Canva crash course for creating content. You get my first million in 17 months blueprint from my friend and mentor, Michelle. You get a 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan. You get your invisible empire, faceless marketing, 200 digital products, ideas, PDF workbook. Okay. So that's what the website looks like. And that's what all you're doing is you're just sending people, this is your digital storefront. You just want to get people to go to this website, put their email in, go to this website and purchase one of the programs. So the goal is just get as many, just build that email list, just keep building that email list. Okay. And then the automations do the rest of the work for you. So let's say you're ready to start this business. Let's say you make a decision, you're ready to change your life and you purchase one of the programs. Then it's going to take you here. Okay, here's where your programs are. Here's where your products are. The products are the programs. It's the education, it's the training. Okay, so here's the certification training. Your bonuses are here. And then you just go into the top program that you purchased and you just start there. So the programs themselves just teach you how to make 6 and 7 figures online. It teaches you everything you need to know to make 6 and 7 figures online. Okay, that's what the programs teach. So just go here inside of your program, click here to get started. Just watch all the videos. Just watch the videos around your schedule, okay? And then one of the first things you got to do, if you want to resell the programs and make money that way, you got to set up your system. You got to set up your sales funnel, right? You got to set up these pages, okay? So all you got to do is go to the website setup, and then one of the first things you got to do is go to GoDaddy. You need to get a domain, like a professional domain. My domain is 7figuremonk. You need a domain and you need a professional email address, okay? And then you need to attach your payment gateways like Stripe, Square, PayPal. You got to attach them to your website. Then you just got to set up your system. You got to connect your system to your domain. You're just setting up these pages, okay? Basically, all you'd have to do is watch videos, and a lot of it is just like watching the videos and just like copying and pasting information. That's pretty much what it is, okay? Because I've set up the system myself, so yeah. And if you don't want to set up the system by yourself, if you think it's boring or whatever, you just don't want to deal with it, you can have tech done for you services. They will set up your system for you. Okay. So you can do that as well. And then after you set up your business, then you just go here. It's a launch kit for your online business. It's going to show you how to get your first sale in 7 days, like launching your business, your vision, your income earning activities, the 2-hour workday. It's going to be explained there. Choosing your social media platform, understanding social media algorithm, what is attraction marketing and why does it work? Who is my customer? Questions to ask to help create content using AI, ChatGPT, stuff like that. Okay. And that's basically what you're going to learn, all this kind of stuff. And then once you finish that, you can just go through the rest of the program around your schedule. Marketing for social media, discovery method, find and attract customers, storytelling, branding your business. Okay, this is the kind of stuff you're going to learn. How to post free ads, how to build recurring income, affiliate marketing and partnerships, email marketing and list building, how to use ChatGPT to 10x your productivity, creating your own digital products, launching your own program. That's the kind of stuff you're going to learn inside of these programs, right? So you're learning and reselling as well, if you want to do it, if you want to resell these programs. Or you can just learn from the programs. Okay, we have 3 types of buyers. People, they just want to learn more about digital marketing. They already have a business, they want to get more customers, they purchase a program. Or people that want to learn how to create their own offers and market them, they purchase a program. And people that just want to make money by reselling the programs and learning everything. Okay, so we got 3 types of buyers, right? So here's your products, and then let me show you the community. This is the fun part, because the community is like the life. Okay, the community is where like everyone's hanging out, right? So here is like, you can introduce yourself, post your wins, ask questions. Okay, we have a training coming up, new social media updates coming up in 21 minutes. So we always have like, that's the cool thing about this. This is a program, it's not a course, so it's interactive. You have interactive mentoring and coaching. You have an interactive community to help you build your business. Okay, let's go to the wins section. Let me show you proof that people are making money right now just by reselling the programs. Let me show you proof. So let me see. Show me a win. See, people post all kinds of wins, but I'm looking for a money win right now, just to show you proof. Here's one. Stacy and Mark, $900 sale right after my Q&A. She had a Q&A. Maybe she invited some people from her email list on a Zoom call. Maybe she did a Q&A like that. So payments, okay. $1,400 week for me. Juanita, she had a $1,400 week, and she's from South Africa. So like, this is a global business, so you can earn American dollars from all over the world, which is great for people that are living outside of America, right? $100 sale while sleeping for Simone. $900 ding in the beginning of the month. There you go. I'm just showing you proof, right? So there you go. There's your proof. There's 30 posts per page, and we have 32,000 pages of posts. So we have like 900,000 pages of wins here. Okay. Now let's go into the classroom. Getting started here training. You want to go through this. This is going to show you more about how the program works, how the community works. And we do these 90-day runs. We show you how to make 30K in 90 days. You get daily training from a millionaire to help you build your business and your mindset. Okay. And then we have all this other bonus training stuff going on, right? Mindset training, social media training, 6 figures in 6 months training. You can watch all the mentoring Zoom replays. All the Zoom replays that we had are there. So there you go. And if you want, you go to the calendar, this shows you where we have our next live event. Okay, it shows you our live events. Like, so we have a live training today, new social media updates. We have millionaire mentoring every Monday. We have tech support calls if you need help with your website. We have mindset mentoring. Okay, so we have all this stuff going on. So that's where you see the live events. And yeah, that's the community. So like I said, if you want to get started with this business, just go to 7figuremonk.com. The link's in the bio. Okay. And all you got to do is get started, purchase a program, plug into the community, introduce yourself, go through the getting started here trainings, and then you're just following the 2-hour workday. Like, okay, the 2-hour workday is basically, this is the 2-hour workday. Post 3 pieces of content a day, minimum. And then you can also go live, and you can also copy and paste free ads. So I'm going to give you some examples of like me posting content. I'm going to show you how to post free ads as well, just so you understand what you have to do every single day to build your business. So let's go to my YouTube channel, right? And this will show you like how I post content. And like on YouTube, I do long form videos. Okay. Like I do videos that are over 10 minutes, just like this one that I'm doing right now. It's a video over 10 minutes. And all I'm doing is just like sharing this, sharing this opportunity with people. Okay. I do like other stuff too. Like my whole channel is based on like making money online, but this is my #1 like method for making money online. So I share this program the most, but I also do other videos too sometimes about making money online or marketing tips or mindset tips and stuff. But mostly it's for my business. You can see like all these posts are for my business. And then I do short videos. Okay. These are for my business too. So short videos, I'm just like talking for like 30 seconds to a minute. Short form videos. You can post them on YouTube. You can post them anywhere. Okay. Whatever platform you want. These are just talking videos, talking videos. I'm just talking. You can also read from scripts. Like you could read from a teleprompter if you're not comfortable. Like you can read from a teleprompter. Here's a B-roll video. I just create like a 7-second video and I put words on the screen. Okay, B-roll video. So there you go. That's what I do with my content. And then also you can do on YouTube. I like this little thing. It's called posts. Okay. So I can post like, just like, I like to do like value posts. This is just value. Okay. Discipline is doing what you said you would do. And then this is just like a value post giving people value. That's like education, entertainment, tips, straight value. Okay. Nothing to do with my business. Here's another value post. Okay. Here's a business post. This is me marketing my business. Work from home, live free. Work from home, 2-hour workday, 100% profit, automated business. Step into a brighter future today. There you go. Business post. Okay. Value. So that's what you can do on YouTube. But you can do this on any platform. Like every platform you can post short videos, long videos, written videos, audio, right? You just got to post content. You're attracting customers. That's what you're doing. So now let me show you how to post free ads. Okay. So you can go to these different websites and we teach you how to do this. We have training for posting free ads. So let me go and post a free ad. Okay. I'm going to go look at this. This website's cool because there's like, you can go to like any part of the world. I can post ads all over the world, right? Look at all the continents here. But I'm going to go to America because I'm from America. I'm going to go to Michigan because I'm from Michigan. And I'm going to go to Ann Arbor because I'm from Ann Arbor. Just for this example. And I'm going to go to make money because we're teaching people how to make money. So there's affiliate marketing, business opportunities, entrepreneurship, investing, side hustle, work from home jobs. I could do any of those, to be honest. But I'll just do affiliate marketing now, even though this isn't really affiliate marketing because we earn 100% profit. But you know, it's if someone's looking for ways to make money, they don't really care if what it is as long as it works, honestly. So this works. So they might be looking for affiliate marketing, but then they'll stumble onto this ad and they'll be like, oh, this is better than affiliate marketing. Okay. We also teach affiliate marketing, by the way, in our program as well. We also teach that. So, but let me show you how to copy and paste free ads. You see, I just went to my Google Docs and I just copied this, right? And then here's my ad. Let me just put some spaces, make it a little easier to read for people. A couple little spaces here. And yeah, there we go. And then I can fill out all this information as much as I want. I've already been here before, so all of my information is basically saved here. So just go like this, investment, okay. Company name, I'll just use my website. And then I just got to put a picture here. Let me go, I have these pictures saved already. So here's one, let's do this one. And let me just post it. See how easy that was? I'm doing it with one hand, really fast, posting free ads. Okay. So now let's say someone's going on this website and they're looking for ways to make money and then they find my ad, right? They go here and this is what my ad looks like. Okay, they're going to find my ad, right? Here's my ad. And then, right? So they're going to go here, click here, and it takes them to my capture page. You see how that works? Then they go here and they put their email in. Okay. Or they can go here and watch a YouTube video. So not only am I building my email list, but I'm also building my YouTube channel with the free ad method. So that's cool, right? Okay, so that's that. So I showed you everything. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. If you're ready to get started with this business, go to 7figuremonk.com. The link is in the bio. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and just share this video with anybody who needs it. If you know someone who's struggling financially, they're overwhelmed, they're dealing with a lot of financial stress, they're overworked and they're underpaid, make sure to share this video with them. Otherwise, have a great day and God bless. I'll see you on the next video. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day.